What's up everyone, I've been Alexa here, and again I'm back with another YouTube video. And in today's video I'm gonna be reviewing the Itel A56 from Itel Mobile, which is a 2020 smartphone, and we are starting right now. First of all, this is a low-end budget smartphone, so don't expect much from it. And as you can see, the smartphone, all of it is made of a plastic design. And at the back of the smartphone you have the fingerprint sensor and the dual camera lens, and at the bottom of the screen you have your ordinary smartphone charging port, and at the top of the screen you have the 3.5mm headphone jack, which sounds great. Like, you can listen to music like all day. Most smartphones which come nowadays don't have a 3.5mm headphone jack, but thanks to Itel they still have it, which is amazing. But anyways, you can get all day battery life. I mean, it sports a 4000 mAh battery, which is so great, guys. And the smartphone runs Android 9 Pie Go edition, which is not the latest software out there, but it is not that old, because right now the current software is Android 10. But anyway, most people don't care much about that. And it comes with a 480p IPS LCD display, which is not good when it comes to outdoors. I don't know if you can see, but the display is full of glares. As you can see, the weather is not that sunny, it's cloudy, but you can see that the display is full of glares. And I even tried to increase the brightness to its max, but still you could see glares in the screen. They are so destructive when you're outdoors. I mean, it's so annoying, like trying to type in a message but you can't see anything. Maybe try to do something, maybe a simple task like going to the internet when you're outdoors, but you can't see anything. You just see a reflection of yourself. It's so annoying. So before we even go any further, the downside I have on this phone already is the display, and you will notice that the first time you have it. By the way, I don't want to be so brutal on this smartphone, because like I don't want to brutalize it a lot, because this is just a low-end smartphone. But anyway, I just felt like you should know this before you buy this smartphone. Like, there are some couple of stuff you should know before buying this smartphone. Going to the camera side of the smartphone, at the back you have the 8 megapixel camera and the 0.3 megapixel sensor. So I went ahead and took some pictures, so they don't look that bad, but I noticed that the images were so like grainy. I don't know if that's the what, but okay, blurry, if that's the right word to use. But the images were so blurry. If you can notice that the images were not that bad for a budget smartphone, a low-end smartphone. I mean, the images were not that great, and not that good, as you can see. Also, I recorded some video, and as you can see, this is the video quality of the back camera. And I also went ahead and took some selfies and used its portrait mode. You can see that the portrait is not that accurate, but it's not that bad. The depth field of view is not that bad, but also the front camera is not that bad. If you're looking for a low-end budget smartphone, it's not that bad. So if you're someone who is looking for a smartphone with a long-lasting battery, a smartphone for calling, like surfing on internet, stuff like that, simple tasks, you should buy this smartphone. And also you should know that its display is not that good, so you should keep that in mind. But anyway, that was it in today's video, and if you like this video and found it informative, drop a like. And also, if you have any question, leave down a comment below. I'll be able to reply to each and every comment personally. And with that said, Till next time. Bye bye. See you guys in the next one. Peace out.